Draw. One other set of panty jar, Rose. You see it, plants? Come here. No road shit, no rat shit. You see it? Alright. Come, I could get down to business now. Come. Turn off back the light. Here, Rose. I'm a single, no, Rose. I don't live with no man. Come here. We got reason here now. Come here. You say me think. And me look like me not bathe. Rose, come here. Let me tell you one secret, Rose. Me not bathe in a cold water. Rose, a hot water me bathe in a, so me have to bathe, girl. Me not bathe in a cold water. All when summer come, a hot water me bathe in a. Cause me afraid of cold water, Rose. So me bathe. And you see when, Rose, come here. It's when me a shop. It's when me a shop, Rose. Me buy enough soap, so me a soap for bathe me kin. Me can't think, Rose. I almost 2 years me not go to bed with a man. Me no joke, me no sex. Almost 2 years. 2 years, so me can't think. Not a thing in me for wash out, Rose. And me a 57. Me can't think, girl, and me not hungry. You see, me not even hungry one time. Rose, me not hungry no more. I put on a lipstick, my lipstick a go away. Me not hungry again, goodie. Don't tell me I'm a hungry girl. Me work $19 an hour. Me work $19 an hour. But guess what? Me $19 an hour. Me keep me set my place clean and tidy, rat and roach free. Anybody who know me, girl, anybody who know me, anybody who know me, no say. When it comes to tidiness, me go in my bathroom, go near when me ready, Rose. You know no tidy for shit in a bag, you shit in a bucket. We're gonna some F1s. Support the life go, Rose, remember say a bucket, you shit in a, you know. And bag, you know no toilet. A 3 bathroom there, so one up there, so one there, middle one. So anyone, if one now walk, the other one have to walk. We're gonna some heart me there. Don't try style me, girl. Not because you're big and think and sour. You think every other woman big and think and sour, Rose. Don't style me. No style me, Rose. You have too much fat and flab. Look how you sweat, girl. So you have to frownsy quick. Me not have time for frownsy, Rose. You see, I cause Chevy and I tell Chevy, say, how Chevy had 2 pieces of flap. When you lose weight, what you gonna look like? Me see, I say, how the girl had 2 pieces of flap and a laugh. When you lose weight, what you gonna look like? You think you gonna look cute? You're not cute or rotted. And you don't love beard. A hot water, me beard in her. Hot water, so me have to bathe. Have to. And love wash me ear. You understand? Not worry yourself when you're reaching at this, man. Don't worry yourself. If it fix good for the camera and the screen recording them. The glasses lean, not true? Rose, the first lie you tell is that you don't know who is PETAGAYE. Why you do it, girl? Why you do it so you don't know who is PETAGAYE? You know PETAGAYE. You created PETAGAYE, Rose. You created PETAGAYE. You might not call her PETAGAYE, no, you might call her one other name. But you created Caan Rochelle Smith. You created Caan Rochelle Smith. You created Caan Rochelle. Your lawyer. Rose, come here. You remember your lawyer with a beg $500 to pay the Airbnb fee? Come here. Tell me, say a lie, me I tell Rose. Come here. Let me fix my chair good. Let me have a look, a sip of water. Point. Let me get a straw. Me no want to smudge up my lipstick. Me get a straw. Hold on there. Girl, you know me that love. Me that love if you could join me We now cuss tonight. We are reason and talk. Sip. Me no want smudge up my lipstick. Wanna not hear me? Wanna not hear me? Wanna hearing me? You hearing me? Wanna hearing me? Okay. Rose, we now quarrel tonight, yeah. You say you don't know who named PETAGAYE. So, make we go back to your lawyer. We'll go back to your lawyer, Rose. Your lawyer, Rose. Your lawyer. Well, when you be at Airbnb, you did a beg $500 for makeup. The Airbnb money. Who is that person to you, Rose? Come here, no man. Come here. Come here. Rose, me not intend to stay long tonight. Me have a shift for morning. So, if you don't know who is PETAGAYE, make we go back to your lawyer. What you have in your back pocket. The person you have in your back pocket as your lawyer. Who you have in your back pocket. When you did a beg $500 if you go pay the Airbnb and you man tell her say she can't give you because the money have to work on the house. Who is that person to you, Rose? Since as you don't know her name as PETAGAYE, make we say your lawyer. Come now, Rose, man. Answer me, no, man. Make sure it's on a screen record now. Call Shane, everybody. Yo, you will all know how the story twisted and a twisted and I saw it go, man. If you don't want the story, no ask me, man. Me tell you the truth. Stop twisting thing and I saw it go. Lawyer no set up nothing. TikTok lawyer no set up nothing. A TikTok lawyer bust the case. That is PETAGAYE. So come start record and me record everything. Everything and me record it. Me set my phone for auto record. So all if a fly call me record. If I even a fly saying it a record. This a whole foot here with her pussy face. This a dog face girl here. Rose say me look like dog. Then what you look like? What your mirror tell you? Me see somebody catch you off guard with the neck up someone big piece of something and it look like frog. So if you are say me look like a dog. And my face no look nowhere like you. How would you describe yourself, Rose? Come here, no man. Come here. We are talk. We are reason. How would you describe yourself, Nikki B? Big up yourself. My moderator them there. How would you describe yourself if you say me look like a dog face? Let me unleash the spectacles. If you say me look like my face look like a dog face, how would you describe your face, Rose, and your body? Go on with the table. How would you describe yourself? I can move my chair. Go on over there, such chair. No make no trouble. If you say, yeah, describe me, Rose, and me at 57. How would you describe yourself, Rose? A 57 this, you know? Rose a 57 this. A 57 this, you know, Rose? A 57 this. How would you describe yourself, Goody? Come here, no, Goody. A 57 this. A 57 this, Rose. Not even when me did fat, me never look like you. Me have a picture on my page and me that 200 and odd pound. Go and go look on it. Make a put on about my spectacle. Cause me not even want looking on her face tonight. Yeah. Rose, you say you don't know who is PETAGAYE, right? Who is Cadian? Who is Cadian Smith Fairclough? She married name Smith. Maiden name Fairclough. You don't know PETAGAYE, right? We take PETAGAYE out of the equation. Make we deal with Cadian. Who is Cadian? Thank you for your money, girl. Who is Cadian, Rosie? Come here, Rosie. Who is Cadian? Who is Cadian Fairclough? Cadian's married Smith Fairclough. Who is Cadian? Come on, man. Talk up, no girl. You say you don't know who is PETAGAYE. You say a lie them create PETAGAYE. The woman where you did a beg $500 for pay one extra week at the Airbnb. Who is she to you, Rose? You make everybody a take up for you and a cuss everybody. Come here no, girl. Come here. Take a small what's me too like. Take up Janelle out and make out this of me. Put on my lipstick in a Rose. Me carry come. Me no want this rub off tonight cause me want screen record get me look good. But me see some screen record, me not look so good tonight. So me want my screen record them look good tonight. So me dress up tonight. Yeah. Who? The woman did not beg the $500 Rose to pay the Airbnb. Hey girl, come here no man. Talk no girl. They say you don't know PETAGAYE. So the voice over here, the same woman did not beg the $500. Isn't she your lawyer? Or who you have in your back pocket? Oh, when the children them lock up and never show you the contact. Oh, I'm giving you a warning. You're too lie. You know what I want? With no apology. Me want the cops lock up you, your man, and PETAGAYE. And then everybody will get the truth. Sky want back our money. The rest of them don't care about their money, but me want Sky get back for our money as much as me and Sky are no friend. Yeah, me want you, your man, and PETAGAYE for lock up. True no girl. Make the police them make case work. I want it. Yes, Jakes, yes, him same one. It's coming. I did tell you not to play with me, now me I come with it tonight, yeah. Do you believe that tonight? Let me see how my life goals stay by the way. Yo, full out me 50 live goal now man, else we're not gonna further. Full out me 50 live goal, we're not talking nothing until it full out. Me 50 live goal, me want it, it's cheap, a $2 ad. Come on, me 50 live goal. The mighty man of God. Look here, anybody ask me say what Jakes do, block them moderator. I don't care who, them could have the biggest badge over here, so take them out of my chat. Who not take people for fool? Who not attack me fool? And who not make internet and like I'll share everybody I come say a lie me I tell. Every conversation me set my phone on auto record. So you see if a phone call coming in or out, this shit records it. And you know why me do it? When lawyer say Paula. I'm not even a lawyer, Minnie. You know why me do it? Because the girl lied to me. Me I tell you how PETAGAYE lied to me. Me tell you no already. The same day PETAGAYE and Jakes go do the paper for the local receipt when you see Chevy show, the protective order. PETAGAYE got see you. And me hear in the background, me hear when the shovel them shock her like you know when shovel mix matter. And me hear one voice like such man. And me say such man that. She said no. I'm up by the apartment by the swimming pool. You see when me in the background, me hear bucket. And me hear Jake's brother say, come guys, tap up the live, tap up the live, tap up the live, support the live goal. And she cut off the call. I saw coming with the girl a lie. I saw coming with the girl a lie. Me say to Minnie say, Paula, that girl they a lie. Start record the girl. And me put my phone on auto record so everybody will call me on a record. Tell her no. It's tired of on the app bring me down and I say me a liar. Is anything you want to know? Ask me. Don't summarize it up because few no chicken back head can't summarize up shit. A lie or not tell. The whole of not tell lie. Not no go now summarize and I saw it, go say not a shit, no go saw it, go say not a shit, no go so no lie. Rose, what happened to the female? What you having in your back pocket where you and her fall out? Since as you come and you style me. I want to stay to the side, you know. I don't want to the front. I want my chest plate for sure. I want to do something here. I cannot stay at the side. Go on like you want to hide my chest plate. Yo! Rose! The female that have in your back pocket where you and her fall out. Who is she to you? What's she name? Cadian. Oh, Cadian. She no name PETAGAYE. For Uno, she name Cadian. But for Sky, Lawyer, Mother, and Rose, she name PETAGAYE. But Rose, that's where the PETAGAYE and I call her Cadian. But in a Sky and Mother and Lawyer, it is still PETAGAYE. But for you, Rose, it is Cadian. Your liar. Your liar, Rose. Come here. Rose, your liar. Don't play with me. Yo, I'm not seeing a live goal yet. I'm not playing a recording. I want the live goal up there, so. I hope the police them act fast and lock on up. I hope the police them lock fast and lock on up without no apology. Tap up the screen, guys. Bring me to 100k taps. When I reach 100k taps, me play the piece of video when me not play the whole lighting. If you don't want the whole lighting, have a flood, that's how we give. Me gonna go play one little piece. If you not see, if you not hear, say Rose know who this person is. So when you come say that, say, you don't know who is PETAGAYE. You're lying, Rose. Warm to the liar girl what you have in your back pocket. You know everything what I go on. I mean, you come for style, girl. I tell them I polish out the floor. I mean, I have to polish it. I saw me stay to them I polish the whole house. When me die, me haunted. Me find all kind of crap for though. Guys, my life goal. Yeah, so me stay. Me not sit down and sleep till 1, 2 o'clock. You're crazy? I tell me a rich girl. You come cost about your money. You should have glad for TikTok. You should have glad for TikTok, Rose. A TikTok make you look like somebody. And make you into somebody. And the same way you come over yourself off of the streets, dirty like a hog rope. Dirty and stink, Rose. And this app make you into somebody. Beg on some F1. I see where somebody else will come over here so and the app make them not somebody. But the app not gonna make me not nobody in a Rose because he's already a somebody. I am already a person. You weren't a person when the app pick you up. Correction. So don't come go on like you want to style me in a Rose. Me going to use intelligence for you tonight. Me not have to cuss one bad word because last night me get in a spirit. So tonight me not cuss no bad word because last night me in a spirit and I rebuke you. So tonight, yeah, me have to speak proper. No bad word tonight, yeah. Father God, don't make me cuss one bad word tonight, yeah. Everything have to be in order. You liar woman where you have. Rose no she named PETAGAYE make a liar and wicked so girl and a go on like so you don't know. Words on the street is that say she and Jakes a joke. Me no know, me no business with that. That is words on the street. We're gonna some more live gold, guys. Me not telling you we don't know long tonight, yeah. When me don't play, me get TikTok like the rest side. Me when me done this here, do damage, do this here, me get TikTok like to do damage control with the rest. You understand me? Don't take people for fool. Yeah, hide it. You know who is PETAGAYE Rose. Otherwise known as Cadian Rochelle Smith, but she married and her maiden name named Fairclough. You go Google the girl. Cadian Rochelle, Fairclough, she married named Smith. Stop tell lie, girl. You too lie. You go on like you wash your hand clean out tight, but a liar and them lie. You are in it. You are the mastermind behind all of this, yeah. Girl, go away. Me tell you say my phone dey on auto record. If a dog call me, it record. Storage, come and decide so I don't want to delete nothing. Anything cross my phone record. Anything and everybody cross just so auto record. Before me play, you want to come and say something, Rose? PETAGAYE, me still give the chance enough to surrender yourself in a PETAGAYE. Oh, this a piece of tassel it come from. I spoil up my picture. Go back in this man. I spoil up my picture for. No, I'm not nervous, goody. Can't nervous. Am I thing? Yes. That's what she name. Thank you. Me can't nervous, goody. Am I story this? I'm fi nervous. Me want some more live goal. Rose, you're lying. You're lying, you know the girl. You and Jakes know the damn girl. Now that's your whole out under the bus tonight, yeah. You and Jakes know the girl. You and Jakes know exactly what I want. When you give him this a false liar, yeah. When you could have sent me a mix up 1,000,000 times. Me tired of it go up on For You page and see share everybody, Destiny, everybody a kill me. And I say me know something. And I say me do this. Me tired of it. Me I put it to rest tonight. When me don't know go and go on one another. Me tired of it. Me just bringing at the middle set in at the middle. Look here, let me tell you something. I wasn't Jake's Jake manager. Me never managed Jake's money yet. Me only advocate for the youth, for company up. Everybody say me a manager. Me never make decisions for the youth yet. Never. When me glass up going like you want lean so. Tappy man, nobody lean for me like for coffee. Stay straight for me nose. Me never advocate. Me am this advocate for this youth. Me never yet control him money. So I want to come for say that say me want to take over everything and me a this and me a old fat and me a this and me a that. Chev, my moderator them black in, Chev. Me moderator them me black in. If you don't want to behave, if you want to say you say if you want go on, you go on. But don't make them have a mute. They will. They not play tonight. I mean I tell you. Alright. Let me tell you something, you see? Me ask Jakes, where you know PETAGAYE, where you know this liar girl from? Me have everything for you, so me tell you, say my phone dey on auto record. Yo, when me live goal, the man, me not chat without me live goal. Uno keep on, no, because uno hate the girl TikTok liar, everything uno say a TikTok liar, this and a TikTok liar, no do one shit. Let me come clear right now. And them do it. Them two, them three in a it. If you think when I say a TikTok liar do it, a TikTok liar no do nothing. Come and me tell you something again. Cause you me here with the shame, me want to tell you too. When liar play the recording between me and Chevy, they say because me screen recording when me draw down my screen so and press screen record. When you screen record like so, you only hear with the other party. I said try it and you will see you can't hear when me talk say. So when you hear liar play the recording and you say liar cut out for me part, a liar tell. Based on how the screen recording say, steer. If you try it, share, try it. When you screen record, try screen record your partner. I don't know if she's the girl or the boy. Try screen record your partner. When you press screen record and you talk to somebody, you hear the person's conversation, but you cannot hear yours. So when you don't come to say, TikTok light it cut out my part, Jezebel under your mother. When you come to say, TikTok light it cut out my part, I lie you did that tell. A screen at this and me do. Till me put on auto record on it. Somebody teach you to put on auto record. That is why you did only hear when you hear liar play Chevy conversation, you only hear what Chevy say, never hear mine. Not no go so. You get it now? I hope you understand. That is why. Alright? And I'm nothing like it cover up for me. Because I don't want nobody cover up nothing for me. Because I don't cover nothing for nobody. I have another sip. I don't cover up nothing for nobody. Okay? Screen recording the boat, me to make sure my mouth lip look good. Can't make a lipstick look bad tonight, screen recording the boat. Who that said they want? Shay, you ask me something? Hold on, Shay. Shay, me not see you send no gift, or you ask me something. You have to give me 2 gold, man. Yeah, you can't ask when me done. Give me 2 gifts, Shay. You can't come ask just free such. No, so you go, Shay. Give me something, man. Give me something. You send? Me never see it. Send one more there. Me never see it. You say anything you don't want here, ask me. Do not blame liar. Liar never create PETAGAYE in a this year instant. If you don't even say liar did create PETAGAYE in a jobber's time, this year time liar not do it. Me, I tell you straight up. Me, I defend that. Let me tell you something. Me, I defend that. Thank you. Liar never create PETAGAYE in this instant. PETAGAYE was already created acting like the liar. How me come to know about the liar? Jake said the liar give him an apartment. I'm telling you that already. That is how the Amazon list was created. Because the liar girl was supposed to give the man an empty apartment. So if the apartment empty, the apartment are going to need to full up. One furniture, one pot, one pan, one plunger, one toilet brush. Right? Okay. I hope you don't get me good pan on screen recording now. I know no stay. Okay. That is how the apartment come in. And every time the man forgot the apartment, the liar girl twist up the man. Me say no, mini man. That girl has something to right with the liar girl here. Me say mini. Me say Jakes have enough money can pay 4 or 5 or 6 month rent. And take the kids until the house is finished. Ask me if I know so me say. Me say cause that girl here tell lie. Cause from when the man say I go to the apartment, I go to the apartment, and we still can't see, still don't see if you and him can't go to the apartment. And we see him still behind the green screen in a Rose room. In the rat hole. We realize him still down there in the rat hole. Okay? And we say no man sitting wrong. When him say I go to the apartment, and me and Minnie call him. Me I tell him everything, you know. He said he wanted a ring light. Like mine. Right? Me say, all right. Me, we go and go beg the money. And that's how I came and beg the first money for him. To buy the ring light. And if he want one blow up bed for sleep on. Because we are working with an empty apartment. We now work with nothing. We have in bed nor nobody else tonight. We are working in an empty apartment. So when we come on live, I say, yo, Jakes will go to the apartment and Jakes are going to need a ring light. And Jakes and the people in a 20 minutes, me get $300. And the quickest change. And right now, if me come, so we do $1,400. Maybe I go $100. Me have to go beg all night till me throat dry before me get it. And I sent it to him $40,000+. When me collect, me give him. Sorry, Jakes, me just have to clear the ear. Me I talk my mind. You don't have to talk to me again in a life. Me not care. Okay? Imaginary apartment. The girl lie. The girl lead the man and tell the man. And she's supposed to be the liar. That before she even contacted me. Said the man in a jail. You don't understand what me I say? Can't make me lip look bad. You understand what me I say? You don't understand now? That is from when we are here about liar. From apartment for run. And the man tilling a rose behind green screen. And we say something not right. Every day I say, but Minnie, chicks have enough money, man. Can't go rent one place and come out of Rose room. Me and Minnie talk to me and say, come out of Rose room, or Rose a disgrace you, and everybody on the internet a disgrace you, come out of Rose room. But him a wait upon the liar girl with the apartment. Then when Reedy come in now and everything, we hear about the party with the Reedy and everything. When the Reedy part come in now, and me ask the liar girl about the Reedy part. The liar girl say, me I throw everybody under the bus tonight. I wanna come here. Nobody now for hate me again. And if some of my followers them want go on, no go on with them too. The faithful ones will stay. Beg on some more live going on, man. And tap up the screen. One tastic unique. Me not even see if you show nothing, so you come set a take long. What you think? We can't add share yet. Share no, you can't come to this yet. Share wait till the Tory. When the Tory drop. No, share you turn where you're there. Stay right here, so. Take out your camera and ready. When me about to read the part coming, and I said to the liar girl that time you never communicate. No, I lie. When they not communicated. That after when now me get the text on my phone where the girl say she have to contact me at this 327 number. The same number where she have contact Rose, Liar, PETAGAYE, and Sky Diamond Pan. The same 327 number. I hit your text and me show you that 30, so I'm not going to that tonight again. When I said to her on the phone, what you want me to do? I'm telling her the times and half thing. She said to retain her is $80,000, Rose. You're a liar, me a talk about no. You're a liar when you have your back pocket in a Rose. You're not PETAGAYE, because in the eyes of you, she know name PETAGAYE, she name Cadian. You're Cadian, we have in your back pocket, and she will refer to no Rose. Can you come here, so I come through this even like, I'm a talk the truth where God love. You don't talk no truth, you lie. You know who the girl is. The same one we have in your back with the same Cadian. Cadian, Faircloth, Rochelle, Faircloth, Smith, whatever they make. The same Cadian we have in your back pocket. As she, you set up for go be Jake's liar. For come rob everybody panic in it. You girl Rose, you know about it. As she is same one. Stop going like you don't know who. The same girl what you say when she carry the goods them when me come back the money for buy. Then if you mash up the soul so good girl car. And she is same one we are talking about. So in case you don't know who, make we talk. And she is same one. So if your girl says, so I guess now you say, oh the girl there. Yes, and she is same one, Rose. So when Jake's not come now she says she want the money. I saw come and go reach out to liar. Liar not hear the girl voice yet. And me alone hear the girl voice. Cause me talk to her on phone and me say, bumbo clock to my niece. Me say the girl voice sound like for PETAGAYE. Remember PETAGAYE is a dog? She said which PETAGAYE? Me say the PETAGAYE where they did a job as them shit. The girl voice, see me how PETAGAYE sound, I saw the girl sound. You think I lie me I tell? I saw me say to her. The girl says she wants 60,000, 80,000 retainer, she will take 60. Liar, they make up $500. $70,000 was sent to Jakes. For the girl says she not collect no money. I saw the girl smart. The girl said, I don't do money transactions. Please send it to Mr. Beckford, my client, Mr. Beckford. That's what she started. She started with Mr. Beckford until she dropped down to Drakes. She not even said Jakes, she said Drakes. She said, please give him to my client, Mr. Beckford. I don't collect money. Me send it to Jakes. Me type, me say, give the liar $60,000. The girl said the man have 3 warrant out. And she take care of it. You don't understand now? Alright, moving along. Moving along. I asked the girl. Me asked her about the apartment. She said Jakes take too long to come for the apartment, so it was rented out. So that's why she have to make Jakes come now and stay with her in her apartment. She give him a room to stay. Right? I said to her, I can remember that Reedy did put out on the internet say anybody can get in touch with Jakes. I messaged Reedy. I said I can get in touch with him. Me take the look of video where Reedy make and me send it to Jakes and me say get in touch with Reedy. Boy, me love without my bosom. And what screen record now see this here. The girl tell me now say. The girl tell me I chat everything, you know. It's me I block everybody. Me glad me change my number. The girl tell me say. The person did want to pay 1 year rent at 35,000 in a brownstone. But that was too far for her client, Mr. Beckford. And only to get to find out, she said the person who wanted to pay the 1 year rent was Shanti. And Shanti also wanted to buy Mr. Beckford a car. For all who don't know who Shanti is one a rose shooter too, one a rose top shooter, and she does shoot for Mr. Beckford Jakes. Okay. Shanti, she tell me say Shanti wanted Jakes, but Jakes has spent majority of the time with Chevy. And Shanti got upset because Jakes wouldn't spend the quality time with her. And she said Jakes wanted her to collect the 1 year money from Shanti. And she said no, she's not getting into any money transaction. Me tired of una drag my name across this net. I say me not cuss nobody tonight because I pray last night and get in a spirit. Tap up the screen, guys. Support the live goal. Me I stop talk. Live goal. Come guys, a 50 live goal on the camp pull off me top talk. Me stop talk, me tired. The girl says she not collect no money. She's not, cause you know why? Because she's smart. She don't want her signature and no fee her name for no receipt. The girl smart, you fat. So the girl says she not collect no money. She don't want her signature for nothing and her name for nothing. But yes, I don't want to mix up people. Say we know about it. Can fix my thing. The screen record. The car money for 450,000. That deal was withdrawn. Me I tell you what the girl tell me say. Me never start record the girl yet. Never start record her yet. Based on information with the man we collect the money and all of that, I so come no lawyer hear this girl voice. Take off Star Baby there for me, please. Star Baby, come off. Nobody not talk to you. Me not see you saying a gift up here. So you come and say 50 stores. Hey girl, come off on my page. Whether you girl or boy, come off. You not saying nothing. So you there chat. More lipstick. Right? Let me make sure I tell you now. Even the night, come here, let me clarify something here so now. Even the night, when Rose come and say, the man got the window, and the woman say, I saw you know so ROSEALEE is telling lies. She said when ROSEALEE say the man guy window with GUN and whatever fill her mother yard, she said right up her yard the man sleep the night. Me don't know how that the part go. She said oh she come for know Mr. Beckford. Come here. Screen record catches a piece here. She said oh she come to know Mr. Beckford. Rose Gold go cheat. Rose Gold go give one look a piece. And leave the kids there. But never left him alone or with somebody. The man Jakes come in from work or come from your road or where she part. And see the children in the house crying. Rose and Jakes got in an altercation. Rose, you must remember this. If you don't remember nothing, you must remember this year. Jakes used a chair and beat Rose. Rose had to go to the hospital. And she said that is how she met Jakes because she never knew him all along. Because she spoke with him and tell him, say, jailhouse no nice, this is abuse, Ray. Tell me if I lie, me and tell Rose. You know, remember the woman where you care for go talk to Jakes? After Jakes take a chair and beat you when you go cheat. The girl tell me, say, cheat, you go cheat. And Jakes beat you up. You know, remember the girl? Wanna stop make people drag my name. You know me I avoid for do this, yeah? Me avoid, you know. And every day me wake up is another screen record and another bring down and another bring down and another bring down. And me see, oh, now bring me down. And none of you no come for say, oh, this go. Everybody make them one assumption that a big old woman there with her face crusty, a big old dirty church out pussy girl, a so nice time and a so nice time and me tired of it. So me I come clean and put it to rest tonight. That is all because that girl was Feroz liar, our friend, which she have in her back pocket. And that was the night when Jake said he met the girl. And the girl tell me say at that the night she met Mr. Beckford. Because she had a chance to counsel him, to talk to him, to say, you can't do that, this is jail work, and this is that, and that is that, and that is that, and that is that. Understand now? Live goal, please. No more. Live goal. And Rose introduced the liar to him. Live goal. Pretty eyes will go and beg 2 live goal. Or 3 or 4 or 5 pretty eyes. I know you will give me. I want to understand now. So so far, who is the culprit in this one? So far, we're in class now. Who is the culprit in this one? Say the name. Right? Type the name. Who is the culprit in this one? Type the name. Come on, guys. Type the name. Okay, somebody say you, Taros, come here. Me want catch you off here. So come here. Come off of my page. Me don't know you. You never want no badge. Pretty Chin, come here. Pretty Chin say you. Okay, come here, Pretty Chin. Me help you through the toilet door, Pretty Chin. Come here. Somebody say you again. What me moderator them there? Come here. Alright. Everybody will say you. We're not going to the toilet bin. Come again. Let me see again who say you. Where you there? Don't move so fast, man. Mrs. Smart up here so I want to catch you. Say you, Sassy. Come here. Alright. You, Sassy. Come here. Come off of my page. Me don't need you. Alright. Let me see who else again. You, Loyalty, say you. Come here. Take you off of this here. Alright. Somebody said Dan is no. Alright. Fluffy, whatever. Fluffy Jello, I don't know what kind of name you have. You have to come off too. You have to go on at the toilet. Lady, where you there? I'm a moderator them there. Alright. You understand me? I say now. Oh, Jakes meet the liar. Because Rose and Jakes fight. And the girl come now, me not no moderator here. The girl come here now for counsel Jakes. Rose, you still don't know PETAGAYE. So all along now, you carry the girl for talk to Jakes. You never know say she a PETAGAYE, Rose. Come cleaner now, Rose. Thank you, the exclusive. The exclusive come here. Type the exclusive. I want someone help you. Type. So Rose, all along, Type the exclusive. You never know, say, that the girl that did PETAGAYE, Rose. Rose, you never know, say, that the girl was PETAGAYE. You never know, say, Rose, you must have said, oh shit, then that the girl play Peter, did a PETAGAYE? Yes, she play PETAGAYE. The number says it all. You know, remember, Rose? Oh, you have short memory, I forgot. You sleep too late. You have short memory. And she a PETAGAYE. Alright, we can go back now. Make we go back now to when she contact me and everything. And the money was paid to her. But before she get the money, because remember when she said the man come out from detention, the man go collect the money. She says she's Mr. Beckford's lawyer. She says she is Mr. Beckford's who? Lawyer. Can I get me charger? Wait. She is Mr. Beckford's who? Lawyer. So now, we talk about up at the house and everything. So when now something another with the hardware and money and everything, I'm add her to the call with TikTok lawyer. And from TikTok, when I said to her, say, she come and she introduced herself like she say, my name is not Cadian. She introduced herself as another name. It was Minnie. Ask Minnie if I lie me I tell. Minnie Sexy 45, me, lawyer, and me other as the fourth somebody on the call. Me never know say she, yet me wouldn't do it. You see when she talk, and me say, oh, I'm TikTok lawyer. The girl jump. Lawyer say, Paula, that is PETAGAYE's voice. Me a liar catch up over it. Me say, my girl, you can't see so people sound like people. If I lie, me I tell lawyer, say I lie, me I tell. Me say, my girl, you can't see so people sound like people. She said, you can't tell me thing that's PETAGAYE. Intentionally, I added one another call another day with lawyer. You see, when she hear lawyer voice, the girl jump again. This time now, me record the bitch. I recorded her that time. And lawyer said, Paula, that is PETAGAYE. Me still not say nothing to her. We still a play the game. But me just a record her now. And everything we a do, we a record her. And everything we a do, we a record her. Me put my phone on auto record. So even conversation that I would never pay here because it contains financial shit, I will never make on hear that. Everything upon my phone. Lawyer knows her because lawyer know the voice. Then she come back again and she say she want $160,000 to take care of some legal business for Mr. Beckford. Lawyer said, Paula, plus she say every time she at work, she not get no pay. Me say, okay then, I will put $25,000 on the money and give you $185,000. So $160,000 if you take her the legal business and $25,000 for yourself. And me I tell you, so I don't know say 52 and me I tell you. Listen to me. Not listen to nobody else, listen to me. I mean, I tell you. I said to lawyer, the girl said that time, you know, the paper is been processed with the protection order against ROSEALEE. Because ROSEALEE, you're too abusive and you're a pig. So the man, we took a protection order. She said she is jumping from a cease and desist. She says because I told her that somebody inboxed me said they want to help with the cease and desist. She says no. So she says she's jumping from a cease and desist to a protective order. You understand now? Okay? So when I like say we tell her to do it, it was her decision to take out the protective order. Jump from a cease and desist to a protective order. Even though Jake's girlfriend Chevy had said she took out a cease and desist, the girl said, why would she do that? The girl said to me that Chevy's trying to reach out to her, but she's not talking to Chevy because the only person Jake's gear authority to talk to is me. So why is Chevy calling? Okay. So when she said she wanted $160,000 and I told TikTok lawyer said, no more money, Paula. I'm not going to let my people contribute no money until when that paper is served. I'm not going there. No more money is going to be collected. So uno no say lawyer in a this and lawyer know everything. A lawyer stopped at the $160,000 from collect. Lawyer, you say that the same TikTok lawyer no say mix up and a liar than blind mice or blind rat or anything you no one call her. She see a man stop it. She said no. When that I mean tell her a TikTok lawyer and she said it is okay. She said it is okay. No problem, that's fine. But by this now, me a record her cause we find out that the girl is fake. More than FBI case. Lipstick break. Lipstick break. Live goal. Live goal, guys. Lipstick break. You understand? So this Rose, you say you don't know who is this girl. We are talking about your friend Caan. As she got impersonate King's Counsel to Jakes. The same Caan, your friend Rose, Caan, as she same one. And as she same one tell me say you woke up here. As she same one tell me say you things in your fridge. As she same one tell me say you things plant in your yard. As she same one tell me say under your bed dirty with whole heap of shit. As she same one tell me say you look at a Donia and Royal Dog. As she same one tell me say you take off Brit picture off of the internet and go fuck up Brit. That's it. Lord, you say me not curse tonight. Father God, forgive me, Lord. I say I'm not cursing tonight. Lord, don't make me curse. I say I'm not cursing tonight. As she same one tell me say some known big TikTok upon Yasso. Them send them man clothes come give you tie them man Rose. I truly don't want people to get mixed up in a Rose. I don't want to spill out some people when I unite the shit, you know. I don't really want to talk about everybody's business. Me I'm gonna say some big TikTok upon Yasso. Are you tie them man for them? The same girl so go on to your Cadian, you know. Cause you are going like so, since you don't know PETAGAYE. Let us say Cadian. You call her Cadian. Or Miss Smith, or Miss Fairclough, I don't know what you call her. Them I report the live, guys, report it. Type up F1 there. Them I report the live, guys. Type up F1. Lawyer from 10 you. F1 them I report the live. Them I go take it down. My case chat. The same lawyer. We say, tell me so she have evidence and picture for give me. But yo, when me tell TikTok lawyer and Chevy say hold it down, me get more shit on wouldn't hold it down. Me da get the picture them Rose and show you. Put it out and make everybody see. How under your bed full of every shit. How your fridge full of this. And where you bury around at it. Me don't find in the front or the back of the yard, but something buried there. Members say the uncle vehicle will crash. And when you come from the Obia man, Rose. When you say you pay how much $1,000 to fix the vehicle where Jake's crash. Talk no man when you come from the Obia man, Rose. Talk no man. How you going like an innocent so girl? And me you come style as howl and hog and something. I can take off my spectacle. Me need to pot dry my face. Me not have no makeup, guys. I'm a complexion this year. Me not have no makeup. I saw me look. Me not have no makeup. No makeup at all. Look at eyeliner, you see it? Put on back my glasses. Me no want looking at nobody's face tonight, so I put on my glasses. And she same one. Tell me everything, Rose. She tell me so when you got the other man to try at a Jaden. And you mash up Fabi and Jaden Rose. Hey girl, come tell me, say a lie now. Go to Kate. As a matter of fact, don't come to me. Go to Katie and your friend. Katie and tell me everything. Katie and your friend tell me everything. Don't make certain people know your business. They will talk. Certain places you go by yourself. Don't make nobody know. They will Guys, we're gonna look a follow there. Follow me. Nothing more. Me not even reach half of my live goal. Me stop talk. Me not even bother play the video then. Me stop talk. Me not over here cut up a business. Me stop talk. Me could play some music till some more live goal come in. No live goal no go on. My live goal, me say, me never say roses, my live goal. Me hear someone now say me get a platform. Then you go tell me say with all of this me not forget a platform. But up on uno. Thank you.
Thank you, Lord. There is a race that I must run.
And the victory. Don't play with me. Me I come with receipt. Rose, you still not know Cadian? When me done, you go have a talk with her. When me done, go have a talk with Cadian. Whether you call her Miss Smith, Miss Faircloth, or Cadian, whatever, go have a talk with her. Me tell her if you call me and reach out to me, if she still not block me. Your business there road a talk. You come style me. After the same woman tell me say she chat to Yellow and Yellow say they pick them now no clothes and no food. And she did tell me, you come cuss on me and pick up money and everybody a cuss me on me and pick up money for Rose pick me and whatever. And when she tell me say nothing, me say to her say, yeah, hear me my girl. That time I never know what she name. Me say, yeah, hear me my girl. Jakes must could have do that. She say me no sassy. But this is Rose kids too. Me say, yes, I true. Me say, but Jakes couldn't do this too. Me say, never mind. Want what you want, how much money you want. She said she have some money for your business money. Rose, go take it up with your Cadian friend. Are you a friend? Are you set her up on Jakes? Jakes have no knowledge of this girl. It's PETAGAYE. Jakes take her as a lawyer. Jakes take this girl as a lawyer. Jakes don't have no knowledge that this girl is PETAGAYE. But you know. But you come style me. Hey girl, I want to talk about everything tonight. Yeah. Who tell you to trouble me? You should have never trouble me. You hear me tell you? As she tell me, say they look at you, them want stuff. And you know the girl we go carry around at the yard too. Because you say them fi mash up, see if people mash up the car, mash up your so-called girl car. Rose, you don't know who the girl was. You say see if you people must dash away the food. You must dash away the food and the money buy. And mash up the car, mash up your so-called girl car. You know who the girl was, Rose. You know. You know who the girl. So all you come and go and like say you know. You know, okay, sorry, you don't know as PETAGAYE, you know as Cadian. But you know say she. Where you come and style me for girl? You love lick your phone. Where you come and style me for girl, you? Where you come and style me for? You can't style me, Rose, and I come call me, think me look like me no beard. Hey girl, I'm a natural skin, this is no Rose. Me a natural browning. Me never born black. I mean I have no filter. You say me a dark face. With a bright self. Hot water, me bathing now. Friendly reminder. Hot water. Come. Get on the phone, are you ready? Get on the phone and have to put on the phone near to the screen. Me go play a little piece of voice note. Me I play a little piece of my recording. Everything come on my phone record. Are you ready? Tell me if you're ready. Say yes. Oh, you said not yet. Okay, somebody said not yet. Hold on. Come back and tell me when you're ready there. Can't play everything tonight. Play everything pan 10 out of 50 by live. I don't expect me to chat for free, yes, sir? And if I use the whole of my local lipstick. Come, 2 live goal. 2 live goal. Some 5 live goal and we play. ROSEALEE, you know who? You lie, you know who? The same your friend Caan where you have in your back pocket. Where did beg the $500 to make up the money for go a motel. And the girl tell us that the money for work on the house. You know who, Rose? You know who? You know who? I trick Jakes as a liar. You know who?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
But me not know to run.
Yeah.
Kill liar, say PETAGAYE. Me not know master. Me not know me aim.
So she come finish said Jakes, we come I told me here. Cause I need June back pocket, you know. And June cost her the home you know.
Hold on there. We're gonna pull it up. Let me put it on the ring camera here. Oh, look here, when that say look a while, where you say? Where you say look a while here? Hold on there. Me a play, hold on there, make a change the color. Alright, we turn off that there. Listen now, your ear back pocket. Alright, hold on again. We're gonna play it again. Rose, don't play with me. Don't play with me, girl. Don't play with me. Go explain out this. Me want the police lock you up, girl. You work with somebody who's out tell lies, say them are this and that. You lie. Hold on again. Hold on there. Rosa want you drop down tonight, your girl. Come here.
Me not know master. Me not know me aim.
So she come finish said Jakes, we come I told me here. Cause I need June back pocket, you know. And June cost her the home you know. Just to show the pan, I'm to show the pan, you know. Yeah. Alright, even the day when time Akim come.
Alright. Him did not say even the day when Akim come, Rose. And we continue the conversation because it stop record. It carry it phone it up. So even the day when Akim come, who did you introduce to Akim as the liar? Talk to me now, Rose. You make everybody drug me, drug liar. Me not even hear them drug Sky and Mad and nobody else like how them drug liar. Rose, oh, the man still a same liar, Rose. The man still a say Cadian I'm liar. So even when Akim got there, who did you make Akim talk to? No, this is the same girl, yeah. Say a the liar. Wicked evil girl. Come here. Come here, Rose. Come here. You make everybody a throw Jakes under the bus. You make everybody a throw the man under the bus, Rose. When I say replay, give me two live goal. They're gonna want push now. They're gonna want push. Somebody give me one push on the screen here. Cause me now play the whole of the video without me get all 3 push. Something in the live goal, Kitty. You crazy? You make everybody a kill the man and I say the man a scammer with the girl and the man a thief. When you created this monster for go trick the youth. You, Rose, created this monster for go trick the youth. And now you're going like so you don't know. The same girl where you have now your back pocket, June, and the same girl come and impersonate King's Council, pan Jakes, and a trick the youth. Them say Jakes have F the girl, a sex the girl, a pam the girl. Even so, feelings will grow. Because the way she called him baby look like feelings grow for you. And maybe that's why you said they need to mash up the car, they'll suck good girl, because you know say maybe the man did a pam the girl. I will sell Haggy there tonight, man. Make we go back again.
I see a PETAGAYE.
Hold on.
Kill liar, see a PETAGAYE. I don't know, master. I don't know me came.
She come finish said, Jakes will come at 2 rate here. Because I did June back pocket, you know. And June cost her the whole one, you know. Just to show the pan, I'm to show the pan, you know. Yeah. Alright, even the day when time Akim come.
And the recording cut off right there, so. Come guys, 3 more crown. No, they won't believe me because right, Miss Getty, they won't believe me because I don't have a big platform. But me have all of the recording. Everything they on this phone here. Me can't play more, but me not play contain too much local financial argument in it. Rose, you tell me some stink and me dirty. And that's why I'm dry it out upon you tonight. Yeah. You're bright and rank and thinking, girl. You tell me some not beard. Me with a 3 bathroom, yes, and 3 toilet. We not shit a bush, Rose. We not shit in a bag. We not shit in a bucket. You tell me some me hungry. If me even hungry, Rose, look over this. So. You see them barrel left a guy yard? You had to prefer name everything out of it. You see them juices, so Rose? Oh, you go say me hungry, Rose. What you mean that she wasn't talking about me when she said me beard, me think I'm hungry. And she talk about the KFC. That's why me do you this. Girl, that's why me expose you so tonight, yeah. The same woman you have now your back pocket where that beg money for go pay the motel and up figure ear and be. As she same one come and trick Jakes to be a fucking liar. And me I tell Jakes say, this is PETAGAYE, and the man still I tell me say, I ain't liar. Jakes, you get to my brain too. Me come to you and tell you say, this girl is PETAGAYE, and you keep on and tell me say, no, are you a liar? You say, thank God this is not your neighbor. You're lucky. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Take you off of my page. Me now play the rest of the... Me now play the whole of the story so till the whole 50 thing black out. Or no can go on now. You know what me I go do? Oh, you me want to see. Come here. Alright, go on now. Go on a road. Because of me put it in a cap cut. You know why? Because when it was recorded, and then now everything I show in my room. So I me put it on cap cut and covered that because me not want my room show. Yeah, and me cover it so. And if you no can't give me my live goal when I upload all of the video, I'm going to give it to TikTok liar because TikTok liar never have it. Make one of a TikTok liar go watch it now. Somebody say if you move on a lick what are we a shrimpy lick on? Lick him, shrimpy, lick him. A lick on for 6. I saw the sister Rose, I tell lie, Rose, no the girl. Your same friend Cadian will give you money all the time. As she come and impersonate lie upon the man. And make a whole me that turn upon the man. And I said the man I tell lie, Rose. And you sit on your ear. And you sit down the comfortable up a Rio. And you sit down the comfortable in your honey bunny car. And you know say. You know, say. You know, say your friend. Somebody said it hurt me, sir. If it hurt me, of course. It hurt me. So everybody I call the man scammer and liar. When a Rose friend. Carol Warren, I'm going to see you put 1 crown up there, so I don't know how you come and tell me if you play PETAGAYE voice. For what that I going to do to you? I'm going to see you put a shit up there, so. Which one of the money you ask about, girl? Which one of the money? What money are you asking about? You, what you say about money? Tell Shammy soon, other man. Who give me a minute? All me wanted Jakes come and say he was blindsided by this girl, but he wouldn't because he might protect Rose. He might protect Rose from go down. Well, Jakes, you go down with Rose too. That's all me I tell you. You're going down with Rose. You're going down with Rose. Since as you wouldn't come out and declare yourself. I say you never know. Go on down with Rose too. All me I tell the man say, this girl is PETAGAYE. Him still a tell me say in lawyer in King's Council and how much house the girl have and how rich the girl be and how much apartment the girl buy and the girl buy house at Westmoreland, Mandeville, Hanover, Kingston, Westmoreland, go around the whole of Jamaica the girl buy house. And how rich is the girl? And how Caan is rich. When deep down in your heart, Caan, you're not even have no sense, PETAGAYE. You use the same number where you use and trick Sky, liar, mother, and you never trick Rose. Because Rose already was a part of the scheme. And Rose tell you to come tell lie pan jobbers. You. And you, Rose, make a girl come tell lie pan jobbers. So the girl never trick you. But she scam Sky, her look money, liar, and mother. Them 3 people there. And you created PETAGAYE, Rose. You created PETAGAYE. For tear down jobbers. But you never know it go so far. You never know it have gone so far. And you do it. But you come out and you come talk about say, me I talk the truth. When me and jobbers did have a little quarrel. I did whole heap of quarrel and have. And you create the girl. And the same girl come now and trick the man as a liar. Because Jakes know the girl has been a damn liar for you. So the girl come now and be a liar for the man. I wonder if you not get the drift. Oh, Jakes, you still say you're a liar? And Jakes? After all of this, you still say you're a liar? Thank you for your gift. You still say you're a liar, Jakes? Thank you for your gift. This I deserve all the gift in the world. Them your Tory are too hot. Thank you. Them fit me in them pretty. One more me smile. One more me smile. Beg you one more me smile. Beg you one more me. Boy, that nice. You, Rose, you. PETAGAYE know your dirty deeds, so you walk up here. PETAGAYE know your dirty deeds, Rose, so you walk up here. What you have to say about this now, Rose? You still have to say a lie, me I tell? When me 50 live goal done, me pay the whole of the 18 minutes video, or me I go give it to TikTok lie, make liar play. As a matter of fact, whether or not she go get it. Whether or not, she go get it for her own platform. She deserve it. Because you don't come on, you can't the girl and say the girl, I did lie the girl come with PETAGAYE this and that. And not never go so. You come out this evening and say a liar and Sky, as liar and Sky start this and you know not never go so, Rose. Are you? Come here, look at the dopey. But the way you over yourself look on the dopey for. Yeah, say me look on dopey. Yeah. ROSEALEE, me say you join. Thank you, Rosalie. Me bust it up for you, girl. Thank you. Me deserve it. Me bust it up. Yeah, me hungry. You fuck. Rose, come here. Give me one more there. Me want go supermarket, Rose. Me want some meat. Come here. Beg you one more. Rose, beg you one more. Me want some. Rosalie. I didn't have to come out and say, and you know who this is. You wouldn't do it. Rose, beg you one more. Beg you one more, Rose. Rose, beg you one more there. I want to go buy some panty shield, Rose. I want to go buy some soap to wash my front. Beg you one more there. Nah, send back shit, go gear. Me deserve it. Me bust up our secret. Go on, go talk to the man now, Rose. Go on, go talk to the man. Now add Rose nothing on my platform. No want her up here, so. Go on over your platform, go cuss me, Rose. Yes, a man she up here me. Girl. Don't make me draw for me 2 pencils. What kind of up here? Don't make me draw for me pencil them, girl. I'm not afraid of it. Don't make a draw for me 2 pencils. I'm not afraid of that. Me too powerful. You shouldn't make it reach, yes, sir, Rose. You should never make it reach, yes, sir. You should never make it reach, yes, sir. You should have come out and fix the situation already, so it not reach, yes, sir. But you sit down and you say a liar do it, and this and that. Play what? Say my live goal and I done yet. Rose never do my live goal. Rose, give me one look of kitten. You say me too enough. Stacy, come here, Stacy, come here. Then what if me too enough, Stacy, where you up? So Stacy, I can tell you something. This when I look for me, analytics of my live, 63.1K people passed through my live last night. And you there, so I say me enough and you make up here again? How you chop it so, girl? Last night, 63.1K. You know, my life, I never know what I've done with people. And you come tonight and you say me too enough and you make up your number. Everybody who say me too enough, leave. Rose, go take it up with PETAGAYE. Go take it up with PETAGAYE. And you created her, make the girl come and trick Jakes, make people upon you so draw the youth, cross the board, and I said the youth scam and thief. You could have fixed it. You could have fixed it, Rose. You could have tell the youth, say, look here, same as on the, which one on the thief for youth money, by the way? One on the thief man money too, you know. Make a touch that too. One on the thief the man money. The amount of money when me hear TikTok liar tell the man say me go over 15,000 odd. The man have no knowledge of that. Which one on the thief the man money? Come on, talk no man. Talk no. Shh. Me no care. Make them chat anything they want to chat. A free night, me a moderator, nobody now work. Everybody there will enjoy themselves. The amount of money where TikTok liar check up a man money. For TikTok liar is TikTok liar, is TikTok accountant. The man say no make that the amount of money. Which one of you who have access to the man money thief the man money for the house? Somebody say you want Chevy, you know see that somebody say you want Chevy older somebody than a Chevy. That somebody say you want Chevy, you know see them. Oh, Rose carry the gang over here. They're gonna some F1 there, that's why over here reach 2K, the gang come. Oh, Chevy over our live, man. Somebody must mute Chevy. Make a Chevy then mute you. Come back here, Chevy. Make a unmute you. Somebody just say me and your teeth for Chevy. Come here. Chevy no gone, man. Chevy over in live or somewhere. You say me hungry, Rose. Rose, you could have dealt with this differently. And the same girl that trick Jakes. Your friend we have now your back pocket. Now you know who me attack. Go and go do your homework, man. Me go tell you one little story. You no better fix it. Because them put police on the trail. They reported the FBI depani. So you no fix it quick. You hear me say, Rose, me give you one little sauce. Them put police on the trail. You no fix it quick. Police happy. Police had the case, Rose. Wanna fix it quick. Send back Sky money and Sky no bother press no charge. Me I tell you no. Send back Sky $5,000. Sky send put all the girl in a $80,000 house. Sky want back the whole our money. Send it back. Send it back. And then Sky will call off the police. Me I go beg Sky if he call you off. If not, the tray will not lock up. Look at lipstick. Where he said Sky too enough, Sky was only helping the victim. But Rose, you never hear this a party. Come here, girl. Let me get this a sweet party. So when Cadian just... My son a blend. So when Cadian just going at the picture now, Rose, come here. Let me get this a sweet party. Oh, Cadian lie and tricky. Hear her now. Hear her now. You know how long I've been watching you? You remember the PETAGAYE and Jabba story? That's how long I've been following you. Rose, come here, listen to Toria now. Because you made a video. You made a video about PETAGAYE. You know, I had a chance to interview PETAGAYE. And boy, her story is so touching. When that girl showed me the scars, it brought me to tears. And so PETAGAYE, so you know. So the same Cadian, you know, aka PETAGAYE, I tell me, say, you know, when she listened, the story, it brought her to tears. And boy, say, where's PETAGAYE? I said, I don't know. PETAGAYE is abroad. I said, yeah, yes, she's away in protective custody. And she's going to nursing school. The same liar girl, you know, tell me, say she'll watch me from PETAGAYE days when me make the video. She said at least somebody's video makes sense. My video, she said, makes sense. And she said from this, so she'll watch me, Rose. She had the chance to interview PETAGAYE. You saw the girl lie and wicked? Me said, Jakes, be careful that the girl up to something. Because if the girl up PETAGAYE, and I go on like she's a liar, that girl up to something. Me say, watch the girl. And me tell him that. And I know the man till I say, I ain't liar. What can I say? How can I reach him? How when me I try to tell him, say, the girl is fake. Until I say I'm liar. He says King's Counsel. The girl sit down. I know so much about the youth. Whether if Jakes a Pamar, yes or no, me no know. But the girl knows so much about the youth. We should go to all them information there. Hey, yeah. Me not play nothing more.